Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make these little bags for yourself, be it for money or little trinkets or whatever, for cosplay or really any reason. You could give it to someone as a gift, whatever you like. So here's a quick rundown of the materials you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need something to actually make the bag out of. You can use cloth or whatever you have laying around. I'm using this leather substitute, no animals were harmed in the making of this. Second of all, some yarn. The third thing you will need is any kind of multi-tool that has this thing. I have no idea what it's called, but you need this. Then you'll need something to mark with. And last but not least, something big and round. So, step one is to mark the outline of your bag. I'm using this thing, I have no idea what it's called, but it draws. And I'm gonna mark a circle. Doesn't have to be that precise, this is completely fine. Step two is to cut out that circle. So the next step is to make 8 of these lines, or well, you're only going to need 4 lines to mark 8 spots on the circle. You can do this by simply folding the circle in half. And marking along the line you've created. Once again, they don't have to be perfect. Excuse the noises in the background, please. So now I have 4 lines through the circle. What do I do with these lines? I take my thingy here and make little holes. Now you're going to take a piece of your yarn that is a bit longer than the circle. Doesn't have to be exact, just make it a bit longer. Rather too much than too little. Put it through the holes. Now the way you have to do this is quite specific, so pay attention. 1 from the inside out. This can be quite tricky. And then just keep following along with the other end. This, now the end is on the outside, and you put it back in. And so on. Now you should end up with something like this. Depending on what you want to use this for, 8 holes are probably not going to be enough. In that case, you can just use your unnamed device here and just take the middle between the 2 holes you've already made and make another one, and you're gonna have twice that. For my money bag here, for example, I made 32 holes. And it's about as big as the one I'm making currently, so it's about a handspan wide. but for demonstration purposes, 8 holes is more than enough. So the next thing you want to do is put your hand in the middle and pull on the strings. I'm going to create this, which looks really ugly. So I'm going to have to make more holes. My bag now has twice as many holes, and as you can see when I pull it together, already looks much less ugly. Now, the last step is to get rid of the lines in the middle, or keep them if you want for aesthetic reasons, but you can just rub your finger across them. They will disappear. That one, almost gone. Oh, well, if you use it enough, after a while, that will just naturally disappear. So yeah, that is it for today. It's been a bit of a shorter video because, well, this isn't really complicated to do. Yeah, I have nothing more to say. Have a good day, night, afternoon, whatever. Remember to go outside, drink some water, eat some food, and see you next time.